Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Miss Samreen Haroon. Today I am going to introduce Culture Study book. This book you have to buy from school. In this book we study 5 subjects. The 5 subjects are Islamic studies, science, social studies, computer studies and art. These are the contents of this book. We divide these content into 2 terms, the first term and the second term. In first term, we study these topics, and these topics are in Islamiyat. Number 1, good manners is a part of faith. Number 2, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Surah Ikhlas with translation. Daily supplications. Science, living things. Number 2, the sun and the stars. Social studies, living together and our school. Number 2, plants around us. Computer, inside a computer. Number 2, software. Art, draw a scenery, a fruit basket, thumb impression, board painting or button activity. Parents, I hope you will be more cooperative with us. Thank you so much.